Alright, sit down, shut up, and learn. Class is now in session. Yo, what up? Big Block Love here. I just thought I'd give you guys a little video and let you know that I've just been crazy busy with everything. This last weekend I was getting ready for going camping next weekend. We're leaving Thursday, coming back Sunday. I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do next week, but then the week after that I will be free to make tons of videos. I am going to do a few how-to videos for people. I'm just going to do them anyways. I'm pretty sure they've probably, I don't know, found it somewhere else or moved on to other projects. It's been a couple weeks, so I apologize if I'm holding you up or failed you on one of your projects. So, but I am going to be split personality. On my how-to videos I'm going to be Professor Big Block Love, and on my regular videos I'm just going to be Big Block. So I have to find some stuff for my alter ego and get to doing some how-to videos. But I thought I'd show you a real quick glimpse of the 68 Firebird, aka the Thumper 2. I've decided after painting it I am not going to be using decals, but thing ended up a little bit twisted. But here she is. I couldn't decide on the stripes, so I did one in the front and two in the back. Got my 20-inch wheels front and back, smaller profile tires up front, bigger fatter ones in the back. Wrap the stripes down the back. I just think it kind of looks cool like that. Real simple interior. Probably can't even see it. It's just black with a little bit of aluminum here and there. But no engine yet. White part to the blocks. I added some blocks to hold the engine up through the engine bay some more. The supercharger comes up flush with the bottom side of the hood. Gave me an extra, like 60-80 thousandths, like 2 inches into scale. So the engine sits up in the front a little bit more. I wanted a little bit more of a beefed out funny car motor look in it. I'm just doing a real simple quick one on this. Waiting on a shipment of wheels from my homie KCM Customs. He's hooking me up with, well, I bought them off him. He's not hooking me up with them. I mean, he's hooking me up with them, but you know what I mean. Okay, we're good. So I'm waiting on that to start my next project, because the wheels that are coming are going to kind of help me decide which one I'm going to do and what I'm going to do to it. I'm either going to work on the Escalade or the Grand National Buick Donk. No matter which one I do is going to be one-off custom. Just full-blown craziness everywhere. I think I need a break from muscle cars, because I just been running out of gumption to do my muscle cars. So I figured I'll do me a show car. I'm going to start practicing with my airbrush maybe tomorrow or when I get back from camping, and get a little practice with that. And I am going to attempt at least a really cool paint job. I'm going to do a pearl paint job in whatever I do. So yeah, I got to practice with that. Never really used pearl paints that much, let alone in an airbrush. So we'll see how that goes. But so yeah, That's pretty much it for right now. So I'll be back another video in about a week or so for y'all, probably next Wednesday or Tuesday, and y'all have a good week. Everyone keep their heads up. Mad props to everybody, especially everyone giving props to me and all my homeboys and all my subscribers. I'm up to 58 now, and so yeah, mad props and shout outs to everybody, just nationwide, even if I don't know you. Props. So rock on. This is Big Block Love signing out. Peace.